Lozenda Fashion is marketed as an online clothing store offering trendy styles, huge discounts, and boutique-inspired fashion. But the real question is, why are some shoppers warning others about this site, and should you trust it at all? Now, to be fair, not every lesser-known fashion store is a scam. Many online retailers are legitimate businesses that simply haven't built a large reputation yet. What it does well: the website looks professional. At first glance, the store appears similar to many modern fashion retailers. The clothing photos are attractive. The products are presented in a way that makes them look stylish and high quality. Where the concerns start appearing: trust can be difficult to verify. This is the biggest issue. A polished website is not proof that a store is reliable. Independent customer feedback may be limited. Without a strong track record of verified reviews, it can be difficult to assess the actual shopping experience. Product quality may not match expectations. Photos and descriptions do not always reflect the quality of the items customers receive. So, why shouldn't you blindly trust Lozenda Fashion? Short answer: because there may not be enough independently verified information to confidently confirm the quality, reliability, and customer service experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.